Hi, today we're going to do some beginner to intermediate core exercises. It's going to be 6.5 minutes of work, 40 seconds work, 10 seconds to recover, 8 exercises. So I'll give you some modifications as we go through. I encourage you to try and do core exercises 3 to 4 times a week, really build up that strength in that core, then hopefully you can progress to the advanced level. Right, let's get started. So we're starting off with scissor legs. So swapping those legs, you can either put your hands behind your head if you want to advance it, or put your hands behind your legs. So let's get started. You pick which option feels right for you. You don't have to have straight legs. If it feels difficult to have straight legs, you can always bend them a little bit. But if you can, then go for straight legs. Halfway. Also, if you want, you can put your foot resting for a few seconds on the floor before swapping. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next exercise is just going to be crunch pulses. So feet down, pulse your elbows towards your knees. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. So just tiny little pulses, crunching that core. If you want to, you can move your hands away, your hands sliding up your knees. If it feels better, your hands behind your head, but it's not completely supporting your head, it's just stopping your neck from aching a little bit, so you shouldn't be moving your head with your hands. 10 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, lie back, knees at tabletop. We're just going to crunch with your hands going up to your knees. Let's go. So again, if you want, you can put your hands behind your head. Or if you want, hands in front so they slide along your shins. Up to you. Good work, we're halfway there. If this feels intense, when I tell you we've got 10 seconds left, you can stop there and take a 20-second recovery and do this exercise for 30 seconds instead. 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1, recover. Right, so we're going to turn over for 40-second plank. You can either do it on your forearms, on your hands. Let's go. Squeeze those glutes. I want a straight line between your heel to your shoulders. If you need to at any point, rest your knees for a few seconds and then come back up. Keep squeezing those glutes. Try and push the floor away with your hands and push the back of your legs up to the ceiling. We're halfway. Like I said, if you need to, drop down to your knees for a few seconds, but get back into that plank. We've got 10 seconds left, that's a 30-second plank so far. Take an extra recovery if you want to. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's flip over back onto our backs. So this time we're going to be doing toe taps. So you either have your legs straight or you can tap your knees instead, up to you. So you either toe tap like this or tap your knees and bend your legs. Whatever feels most comfortable. We're halfway. 10 seconds. Take the extra recovery if you need. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, lie back. We're going to be doing leg lift and lower. So left leg down, right leg extended. Shoulders off the ground if you can. Lift and lower that right leg. If it hurts to have your shoulders up, you're welcome to put your head back. 10 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, swap sides. So right leg down, right foot on the floor, left leg extended. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1, lift and lower that left leg. We're halfway. So your foot should be coming just a couple of inches off the ground. 10 seconds, take the early recovery if you need to. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Final exercise is just heel taps. So knees stay up in tabletop position. You can either put your head down on the ground and rest your hands, or have your hands behind your head. Let's go. Heel taps. This is the last exercise. If you don't like core exercises, that is all the more reason to do them. You use your core for so many different things you don't believe. So for example, running, lifting. 3, 2, 1. Recover, straighten those arms out. Stretch out that core. Well done. Roll over onto your front. Elbows tucked in. So if you want, you can either go to a full cobra and lift your hands and lift your chest, sorry, or if you prefer, just stay on your elbows. Well done. Workout complete. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if there's any particular ones you found hard, ones that you want to work on in the future. How many seconds you managed to do them for, if you did it for 30 seconds, if your aim next time is to try and get to 35 seconds, 40 seconds, and keep progressing. And I'll see you in the next video.